Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Have you heard about the story of a beautiful princess with a magic curse? This is the story of Shrek and Princess Fiona. A long time ago, in a faraway kingdom, there was a beautiful princess named Fiona. But Fiona had a big secret. She was under a magic curse. Every day, she looked like a normal, beautiful princess. But at night, she turned into an ogre. The curse could only be broken by a true love's kiss. Fiona was locked away in a tall, dark tower guarded by a fierce dragon. She waited many years for a brave knight to rescue her. Far away, in a swamp, lived Shrek. Shrek was a big green ogre. He liked to live alone. He loved his quiet swamp, mud baths, and eating strange food like frog soup. People were scared of him because he was big and scary looking. But Shrek wasn't bad. He just wanted to be left alone. One day, many fairy tale creatures were sent to live in Shrek's swamp. There were the three little pigs, the big bad wolf, Pinocchio, and many more. They were sent there by Lord Farquaad, a short and bossy ruler who wanted all fairy creatures gone from his land. The fairy creatures asked Shrek for help to get their homes back. They said they will stay in the swamp until they get back their homes. Shrek was very angry. His swamp was no longer peaceful. So, he went to see Lord Farquaad to ask him to send the creatures away. On his way, Shrek met a funny, talking donkey named Donkey. Donkey was very chatty and not afraid of Shrek. Even though Shrek didn't want a friend, Donkey followed him everywhere. When Shrek reached Lord Farquaad's castle, the Lord was looking for a princess to marry. His magic mirror told him that Princess Fiona was the most beautiful. But to marry her, someone had to rescue her from the dragon's tower. Lord Farquaad did not want to do it himself, so he made a deal with Shrek. If Shrek rescued Fiona, Farquaad would give him his swamp back. Shrek agreed. He and Donkey set off on the adventure. When they reached the tower, they saw the huge dragon. They entered into the tower. Donkey had accidentally made friends with the dragon. Well, the dragon had fallen in love with him. While the dragon chased Donkey around, Shrek ran up the stairs, found Fiona, and carried her out. Fiona was surprised that her rescuer was not a handsome knight, but a big green monster-like creature. She was upset but went with him anyway. On the way back, Shrek and Fiona talked and laughed. Shrek was surprised that Fiona wasn't afraid of him. Fiona was surprised that Shrek was kind and funny. Donkey noticed that they liked each other. But every evening, Fiona hid in a cave, not letting Shrek see her at night. She didn't want him to know about the curse. One night, Donkey found out Fiona's secret that she turned into an ugly monster at sunset. She told Donkey about the curse and how only true love's kiss could break it. She was afraid that no one could love her in her monster look. Shrek overheard part of the conversation but misunderstood. He thought Fiona didn't like him because he was ugly. Sad and angry, Shrek left to bring Fiona to Lord Farquaad quickly. When they reached the castle, Farquaad asked Fiona to marry him. Fiona said yes, but she wanted to wait until sunset for the wedding. She hoped Shrek might come back and give her true love a kiss. At the meantime, Donkey convinced Shrek that Fiona loved him. They rushed back, riding on Dragon's back. The wedding started, and just before sunset, Shrek ran into the room. He told Fiona that he loves her. Farquaad laughed and called Shrek a monster. At that moment, the sun went down, and Fiona turned into her ogre form in front of everyone. Farquaad was shocked and angry. He ordered guards to take them away, but Dragon came crashing in and scared Farquaad away. Shrek and Fiona finally kissed and the curse was broken, but not in the way Fiona expected. She stayed an ugly monster. Shrek told that she is beautiful in all the way. They had a big wedding with all their fairy tale friends. Shrek, Fiona, Donkey, and Dragon lived happily ever after in the swamp, full of love, laughter, and silly adventures. So kids, always remember, true beauty is not about how you look. It's about who you are inside. Hope you enjoyed the story. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.